Hi guys, dito kami sa kasi andito kami sa Missy Bonbon talaga kasi kasi libre talaga ni tita yung mami niya kasi you're so social. Look at my hair, I just bye-bye na. Bye! Okay, dito ako sa Missy Bonbon and may mga questions si Miss Dana for me and I'm going to answer those things. Kasi, try lang. Okay, so what's your question?
Number 1. What would you do? What would you do to lessen the greatest world problem, which is the
The what?
scarcity of food.
Thank you for your wonderful question. I'm so flattered. So, for me, ano talaga, kasi, for me talaga, we all to minimize the problem of scarcity here in the Philippines, we just need to pray and believe that God is gonna provide our food. So that's all. Any question? Number 2.
Number 2. If you had any superpower just for one day, what would it be and why?
Okay, hi guys again. So, if I have superpowers, I would choose to have, like Jesus. He knows what the desires of the people, and he can also filter the desires that are good and bad. So, I will choose to have a powers that can yung naulaw na talaga ako. So I'll be back, bye-bye. Okay na talaga, bye-bye. Okay, so number 3 questions.
The third question would be that if you could be the president of the Philippines for one day, what implementations would you do, or what one law will you make just for one day?
Okay. So, unang-una sa lahat, if one day I will become president, so I can choose or I can decide everything that I can for the Philippines. So the only thing that I can do is nominate as president forever si Pastor Laga talaga or si Pastor Oriel. Oh my gosh! That's my ultimate dream talaga. Darla!
Now, the fourth question would be that if you were able to attend the G12 Asian Conference in Singapore, who will you bring? Just one friend.
That's so a privilege talaga. And if it's for free siguro my G1, my Timothy, kasi she'll be yung katulong sa network ko. And then, siya. So that would be you or Saysay. But ganahan po ka.
Yes.
So, tayong dalawa, ang dream ko talaga next year for travel. So, good luck. There's no such thing as good luck. So, God bless and to dreams. I love you, Lord. Bye-bye.